Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Gemini to help you locate the important documents on your Google Drive or emails. So in here, I've already opened the Google Gemini on my browser, and here you can just start by entering the prompt. So I'm going to just click on here and write the prompt. So for example, help me find my final paper on Google Drive, like this, and then you can just submit. Click on enter. So after you enter the prompt, it will ask me to connect to the Google Workspace, which is Google Drive. And in here you can see that the Gemini will find the document that I asked. So in here you can do select the actions. You can like it, give a response, good or bad. You can share and export, or you can just open the document. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.